Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. So I saw some videos on social media, and even yesterday I saw it, to be honest with you, and I felt like, okay, what is going on here? A lot of pictures, videos of Biafran army, you know, video where they're dancing, masquerade that in a Biafran costume and every all that. It's so nice to see, but I don't know who is who. So now it is not clear to me that these are Biafran Liberation Army working under United States of Biafra. Okay, this is USB government soldiers. Why I choose to define it this way is because of those who say they don't want to work with USB. They have their own and all that, which have told us here that we don't need to argue about this. Anybody that want to work with anybody who want to work, so be it. As long as the goal is to get our land free from Vedas. Okay, there's a program of Master Kano that we played today. Something that I picked from that broadcast of Master Kano of 2020 July. Okay, is this issue of some people believing that Fulani invading homes, taking some communities is just a mere talk. In 2020, they have started it. Imam was lamenting about Fulani taking over the land and all that. There are a series of attack and killings going on. Then, this is 5 years. This month is making it 5 years, 5 solid years of that broadcast. The same issue is still here. In fact, they have intensified it. Now it's no longer news. Every corner of Nigeria are now crying about it. Imagine next 5 years if something is not done. Imagine what would be, because then 5 years ago it was just like normal thing. It's just normal deal. It's not something that you will be worried of. You don't need to worry about it. But now everybody is complaining about it. 5 years ago, Enugu State is not threatened the way it's been under threat for some time now. Imo State is the same thing. Their presence are there, but it's not as bad as it is now. In next 5 years, if something is not done, it will also be the same. So seeing some Biafran youth that have joined Biafran Liberation Army, USB, working, and you can see the morale. That's why I said they're watering the ground. Watering ground, like, if you know, you know. What I mean by that? Building momentum, building morale, trying to fix themselves together without shivering. Now, let us take this issue step by step. Please do me a favor, like the video. We just finished our live broadcast. And let me use the opportunity to inform you that for some of you that must have noticed that I set join. Okay, that's membership option is now on this platform. If you want to join our member, please, we have 3 tiers there. It will cost little amount of money to join. Joining is a way of supporting this platform because we are not in payroll of anybody and we are not planning to be. So if what we are doing here, you want to support us in any way, you can join the membership. It will cost you just few dollars. Maybe that one of $4, $5 thereabouts. There's one of I think $7, $8, depending on your choice, and it is monthly. So if you want to join us, support us if you can by joining, follow the membership. And now let's go to the program, because I told you we're going to follow it one by one. Makandi, USB, since 7 months now, what have you done and all that? I told us from day one that it's not easy to rebuild what PM build that people have destabilized. They will tell you, but why must you go and build another one? Why don't you follow the one that PM built? Then, even though you know that one somehow has been hijacked and been polluted. Some people argued, but people don't normally work he find it so difficult to work with the PM that it took him time. Then I asked, so how long did it take him to work with the Oge then? Some say no, he's not working with Oge. So a lot of side talk, but I don't have time to begin to talk all those things. So please do me a favor, like the video. Now this is one of the video that I told you about. You can see the sound. So you can see. I don't know if this music is okay for me to play it, or does it have copyright issue? So that's why I'm pausing it like this. Okay. So now this is Gyration, I believe. It sounds like a K-guy song. So, but just watch the. That's why I said that building morale, masquerade, warming themselves up and entertaining themselves. I don't know what the event is all about, but you can see different costume everywhere, and they're all here with one mind, hoping to, know each other. I don't know where is this. I can see Okada people, but in the midst of this Okada people, they are all Biafrans. Then you see the youth, Biafran youth, the soldiers moving around. Some of them actually, I think I can see someone with catapult. Someone is holding catapult, and the masquerade, everything is there. And they are here not because they are planning to invade anybody's village, but they are there, trying to build themselves up because of the situation, current situation, and everything. Many of you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this is not the only one. We have other videos that I'm going to bring to you, and the sound, that they're playing here. I don't know if they're playing it or somebody just attaches to the video, but whatever it may be, you can see them jubilating and they're happy. So, like I said, if not because of the fear that this could have attract copyright, the music is not something that you post like that. To be honest with you, the music is somehow entertaining and lovely to hear, but I have to, be cautious. I have to make sure that I consider this platform, because I don't want to risk it. I don't want any copyright strike. If you know, you know. Now let us move to message from this Biafran soldier, and he said this. Let me. Okay, listen.
I swear.
The volume is not all that loud. Just please put your ear so you can hear what he said.
Even some people may reason say why Chineke name how Biafra. And then when I read that, the country up in Nigeria na just zoo country. I want to have na Biafra. They don't see anything. They don't get anything. Why they no one leave them? Why they no one leave Biafra? You see, say inside there that thing will even more than gold, more than silver, even how the world best indigenous people, the Igbo. Oh, why?
Like I said, if not because of the copyright, I would have loved to allow this song so you can hear it. I know many of you also will be like, "I allow us to hear this. What is copyright?" So let me just because this is one of it. So many of them do. So many of them. You can see the masquerade with different costume and all that. Now we have another video to show. So this one, of course, I know this one will definitely have copyright. It will, because this one is. I think it sounds like Ozemene Sube, something like that. So I don't know about the person that the musician who owned the song, but at least you know the sound, right? So hopefully it is not something that's going to attract problem or attract any issue. This is the same thing like I told you. This is a different, you know, army. Some of you may say, "Oh, wait, how can they be doing this and do that?" If you know Malokaregi, now I don't know, but I think they are doing it for a reason, because a lot is at stake. They are doing it for a reason. That's why I said that the title of the video says "United States of Biafra, Liberation Army Watering Ground." So they are trying to. I believe this kind of thing is not something that you can just overlook. It's part of it. Another video. This is still in the same event, but I think a different view. Okay, still in the same event, but different view, and on the same entertainment going on as well. Okay, like this video, this particular clip, I saw it yesterday, but I don't know what it's all about. I don't know uh, what I actually doing here, but it's not something that you will say, oh, that is you can see they're happy. So if they're happy, why don't you be happy with them as well? So that's why I said, okay, let me bring it to you. And another video that we're going to watch after this is one of our Biafran brother in Russia. Last time, I think we did. I think one of our last 3 or 4 videos, we talked about him, who called for, who said that, many of you have watched the video. The man that says that he was in Nigerian army, 2023, and he traveled to Europe now, and he's now currently serving in Russia army, waging war and all that. So he said that he want Biafran youth to join Russian army. That if you can have 50 people, that's the way he put that, made the comment. He also have another message this time around, and that's what we are going to listen to. So let me bring it to you. I think it's right now.
Good evening, good evening, everybody. Biko maka ndị na-abịa na my DM na-asị m explain kedu ka fa ya esi wee bịa kedu ka fa ya esi wee bịa. Si onweghị onye m gwara na mma agbara ụgbọ ọ na mma agbara flight ọ na mma emelu visa ọ bịazie obodo ọlụwa ọrụ ọ balance ya, ma I didn't say that. Ife m kwuru owu na ọ bụrụ na inweghị agent ọ na inwe ha ife iyi eme emerụ nya ndị be anyị ọ dịrị ha izi. O nwere company na ebe a nji work for invitation letter with hotel reservation. Ihe akwụ ha $200. He send the area, which is onwekwa ndị kwụrụnụ mụnwa na-ekwu nke m openly, which is by God grace by this week I will send them their invitation letter with hotel reservation. O nwere onye bịara na my DM nkọwachara ya mgbe memebụghị vida o sendicha passport ya jụwa m how sure, how genuine, is it not a fake, is it not a scam? Can you imagine? Ọ mụnwa na-ekwu mụnwa ị na-asị m ọwụ na ọwụ scam ka ọwụ nke a. If you don't trust in me, don't you ever come to my DM and start asking me a question, and don't ask me about kedu ka ihe esi bịa. Agwa mụnwa na-ekwu eta anyị na ebe a without number. Mmadụ one ka mma reply ị na-anya na ebe nọ na bush kịta ka nọ na my colleague ebe a na bush kịta ka anyị nọ ma ihe meme expect ka nna achaji phone na reply my the other phone kịta na ebe a onyugo na my charger here mma nchaji achaji network eziokwu na I am using army network ebe mana don't be disturbing my head ka nwa ike gba egbe nna agba ishe ịbịa na gwa m send m your passport kwụọ ụgwọ gị process am your ife niile send ya gị gaa na embassy dia ịbata obodo akpọ m na phone ọkwa na nwere agent good and fine ịbataruo Moscow Russia kpọọ m na phone connection dokete connect ya go to the army, but don't give me headache please biko nu nweta information pụtara ọhụhụ ife ọjọọ ka na mụnwa nyere ụnụ information iji ụfọdụ ya abata wee si ebe a nwee ego, ụfọdụ anọrọkwa mara ife a na-alụ biko nu ma ndị ajụzina m ọ fake ọ nọghọ fake ka ọ wụ scam. Mụnwa onye dịka Chukwu Obiora na-ekwu, don't ask me such question. Ụnụ na-akpasuzu m iwe. If you don't believe in me, leave it. Aha ma enye ya nwe $5 na ayọghọ m mmadụ ego. I am okay the one nha. I am contented for what I have. But I'm ekwu ka ọ bara ịpụtazi na asị m na ịmọrọ how sure how are you okay? Biko I like nya biko.
So I think I don't know him. I don't know him in person, but as na mechanic equals Marande Bondala. So due to Wayojino Waketa, people are asking questions about it. So there's no harm in trying. It does not harm in try. If you want to try, you look for his contact. I don't have his contact. I don't have his page. So this is just random video that I saw, and that because of he's speaking the same language with me, and the flag here and all that, you understand? So I felt like, okay, it's worth sharing. So please, I'm not part and parcel of the plan, what he said. Don't ask me what is my take on that, because I'm not in Russia as well. So I don't know anything about it. Whatever you are going to do is entirely your business. But my happiness is that the Igbo person, and he have been in army before now. According to his previous video, he said that he has served in the Nigerian army before traveling to Europe, where he found himself now in Russia, and he continued with his former job. So not because you want to make money, it's just by me get engage. So make sure that you make up your mind before going to this kind of invitation or anything like that such. So my brothers and sisters, I decided to bring it to you. Please make sure you like the video. Like I said, we have membership here on the platform now. I just want to let you know, if you want to join, please do. And God bless you. Please don't forget to like the video and share it. God bless you. USB, they are not joking. Okay? They are not joking. If you don't believe it, it's up to you. Bye bye for now. Take care.